You can see that the crack starts from here and goes till there. I don't know how the crack came. It's a airline crack. Crack ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. What we get from the Amazon windshield repair kit. This one, this liquid, some films and a scrape blade. First clean ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We should clean with microfiber cloth. There should be no dust left on this one. Cleaning this. This is actually what comes. Place this over here. These are the suction pads, they go well in. Now pour this liquid, 2 drops. Pour 2-3 drops. After pouring that, use this one to insert it and leave it for 10 minutes. This method did not make any difference at all. I had left it for 10 minutes and when I removed it there was no difference. So I am going to use the stripes now which they have provided. These are not enough for this length, so I'm gonna cut it into 2. I'm going to pour this liquid all over here and I'm going to use these strips to cover it. Okay. First ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಿಪ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಏರ್ ಬಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ದಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಿಡು. I have applied the film now on the airline crack. ಈಗ 1 hour ಬಿಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. I have to leave it for 1 hour and afterwards I will remove it and see. I don't know it's going to work or not, but I will try. Yeah, I have removed this film from here and now I have to scrape off this film over the glass using the blade which they have provided. It might look like you're scratching over the glass, but actually it's not. There is a thin film over this. It looks like this. This is what happens after doing that. Nothing has changed. This is absolutely waste of money. Please don't buy it.